Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Terra Luna price prediction and Terra Luna news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Terra Luna in 2022. Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payment systems. According to its white paper, Terra combines the price stability and wide adoption of fiat currencies with the censorship resistance of Bitcoin, BTC, and offers fast and affordable settlements. Development on Terra began in January 2018, and its mainnet officially launched in April 2019. As of September 2021, it offers stablecoins pegged to the US dollar, South Korean won, Mongolian tugruk and the International Monetary Fund's special drawing rights basket of currencies, and it intends to roll out additional options. Terra's native token, Luna, is used to stabilize the price of the protocol's stablecoins. Luna holders are also able to submit and vote on governance proposals, giving it the functionality of a governance token. Terra was founded in January 2018 by Daniel Shin and Du Quan. The two conceived of the project as a way to drive the rapid adoption of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency through a focus on price stability and usability. Quan took on the position of CEO of Terraform Labs, the company behind Terra. The sanctions have closed the country's stock market and sent the ruble to historic lows. Two people familiar with the process have disclosed that the executive order on cryptocurrency is expected to be issued this week. The order will describe what government agencies, including the Treasury Department, should do to create policies and regulations on digital currencies. It is also expected to develop policies to enable the US government to work with foreign powers to regulate crypto and its trade across international borders. Furthermore, the order will ask other agencies, including the Financial Stability. On 22 January, the buyers stepped in at the $0.000018 mark. Since then, SHIB bulls initiated an over 100% recovery, while flipping the $0.000023 from resistance to support. Post which, SHIB bears were keen on pushing the price below the 2050 CMA. However, with the gains over the last day, SHIB poked above its down channel, yellow, and aimed to find a close above the 20 EMA, red. This trajectory revealed the increasing buying influence, but it still needed to be backed by enough volumes to be sustainable. At press time, SHIB was trading at $0.00002572. After swing in its oversold region, the RSI saw an expected reversal that eyed to test the midline resistance. Although the DMI confirmed the increasing buying influence, the ADX still depicted a weak directional trend for SHIB. Tezos, XTZ, the previous bull rally from its January lows saw staggering gains that halted at the $4.5 mark. Then, XTZ saw a nearly 38.4% pullback in the last 12 days. Meanwhile, XTZ formed a descending broadening wedge, weight, on its 4-hour chart. As the buyers maintained the $2.8 floor, any close above the upper trend line of the wedge could propel breakout. At press time, they all traded at $3.157. Over the last day, the RSI showed revival signs as it rose above the 37 mark. If the buyers keep building up pressure, XTZ eyed to test its midline resistance. But the volume oscillator was declined below its equilibrium during this phase, hinting at a weak bull move. Well, finally VeChain, that. Since booking its 11-month low on 24 January, that saw a 58.1% recovery as it tested the $0.069 resistance on 8 February. Over the past few days, that formed a down channel, yellow, on its 4-hour chart. After the 24-hour gains, the bulls broke out of the pattern and aimed to overturn the $0.049 mark. Any retracements would see it test the $0.046 mark before committing itself to a trend. At press time, that traded below its 50 to 200 SMA at $0.04912. The RSI broke out its downtrend from the oversold region. It now aimed to find a test of its midline. But like XTZ, the volume oscillator pointed at a weak bullish motion. But it will be even more interesting for you. VeChain record 7% profits, and it could outperform ETH. Here's why. VeChain has been trading in the green during the last day as the crypto market shows signs of a potential recovery. The cryptocurrency could be benefiting from positive developments around its most recent partnerships. At the time of writing, VET records a 7% profit in the last 24 hours, outperforming larger cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, which record a 3.3% and 4.9% profit respectively, over the same period. In an official post, the VeChain Foundation revealed its involvement in establishing the Shanghai Association standards for blockchain service certification. Created to expedite the growth of blockchain-based products and services, this certificate became effective in early February 2022. The foundation partnered with the Shanghai Municipal Administration of Market Supervision and the Shanghai Certification Association to propose up to realize the value of their life savings had been slashed in half. Loire, the founder of Kivaclair, a Bitcoin beach-inspired refugee project in the Congo, told Cointelegraph that the CFA makes whole countries dependent and it is usually the poorest who suffer. He explained the situation in 1994. The most striking example is that of 1994 when France and a privileged few decided to devalue the CFA franc. There is no guarantee that such a thing will not happen again, especially since the global economy is threatened. Prior to the creation of Bitcoin, West Africans could store their money in euros. U.S. Dollars are traditional stores of value, real estate and commodities. For everyday people, however, those options are not readily available. Mama Bitcoin, the first retailer to accept cryptocurrency in Senegal, told Cointelegraph that the CFA is disempowering. She suggests that Bitcoin could provide a way out. Our money belongs to France. The CFA is made in France, and is, for want of a better word, colonial money. Bitcoin, however, Bitcoin belongs to everyone. With the arrival of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, indeed, there is now a viable alternative. Loire suggests that Bitcoin can help the countries of the CFA zone to free themselves from France, to finally turn the dark page of colonization. In networks, Terra price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $427.50 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $363.73 with a maximum price of $427.50 for 2025. Terra price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Terra Luna prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $528.51. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Terra's maximum price could reach up to $608.10 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Luna course prediction 2027. Luna will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Terra course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Terra price will be almost $734.06. The maximum bid we can get is $915.02. Terra average price forecast for the end of 2027 could be around $760.49. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Terra course forecast 2028. Luna has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Terra, the price could rise much higher. By 2028, it may reach a maximum value of $1,262.55. Luna is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2028 could end with an average price of $1,115.74, a low price of $1,085.32, and a high price of $1,262.55. I hope this information was useful for you. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so as not to miss the latest news about cryptocurrency.